Every day, lakhs of patients around the world receive blood transfusions. And every day, we toil to maintain the trust of the medical fraternity by providing the best technology to prevent transfusion-transmitted infections. Headquartered in Bangalore and having more than 70 satisfied customers across the country, Hemogenomics is a symbol of quality and reliability. Being pioneers of NAT in India, we introduced the ID-NAT or Individual Donor Nucleic Acid Testing method of blood screening in India.
In 2000, when I found out that my brother has hepatitis C, and we traced it back to blood transfusions he got after a car accident some years ago, my first instinct was, let's file a case, let's sue somebody. And then you realize in India that doesn't work. We then thought, can we do some social work? Can we help people? Again, there are too many people and it doesn't work. We then decided to use technology. We brought individual donor NAT testing or ID-NAT into India, and I've dedicated my life to making blood safer in India.
Our state-of-the-art partner NAT Labs, located strategically across the country, receives samples from blood banks and hospitals. Some of the best healthcare facilities in the country trust Hemogenomics for their molecular ID-NAT blood screening. We extend services to our clients at their doorsteps. The sample collection is the first point of contact where our dedicated and trained logistics team collects samples directly from the client blood bank. The samples are transported in temperature-controlled conditions and delivered in the quickest time possible to the NAT lab for analysis. Samples move by road and air, making our services accessible to all parts of India. We follow IATA and WHO guidelines while transporting samples. All samples are checked for adequacy and integrity. The barcoded sample details are entered into the dedicated software before testing.
ID-NAT is the most sensitive technology available to make blood safe. And apart from regular repeat voluntary blood donations, quality serology and donor screening, I think ID-NAT is the additional layer that is required for India. When we started ID-NAT in India in 2006, I soon realized that India is a fragmented blood system. We have over 2,000 blood banks. And some of the larger blood banks could afford to have the space, the capital equipment, manpower, quality standards. But many of the smaller blood banks wanted to give quality, but could not create a NAT lab within their premises. We then decided that we're going to provide blood safety to all by taking a centralized model and consolidating samples, providing the same quality standards, the same technology, and the same results without any compromises.
The NAT labs are designed by professionals and built on GLP standards with a dust-free environment. A highly qualified and skilled team of technicians work diligently to offer timely analysis and results. Each sample is tested individually in the state-of-the-art Proclex system, providing ID-NAT, the safest and most sensitive format. The process includes target capture, amplification, and detection of viruses like HIV, hepatitis B, and hepatitis C, which takes place under highly controlled and monitored environment. Test results are validated by trained technologists under the supervision of a doctor from the testing center. The reactive sample is subjected to up to 9 further tests, according to an algorithm designed by Indian and global transfusion medicine experts. The reactive results are intimated immediately through an SMS to the blood bank from whom the sample was received, while the final test results are also mailed. Our scientific and customer support team is just a phone call away to answer queries and provide deeper analysis of any sampled request.
We have been sending our blood samples to Hemogenomics for the last 6 years for IDNet testing. We are happy with the logistics, timely reporting and overall services provided by them to ensure safe blood to our patients without having to install our own setup.
Periodic participation in Interlab Quality Control Program, compliance with global and NABH requirements, etc. are some of the activities that we undertake to ensure the highest level of quality. Being an ISO 9001-2015 certified organization, uncompromised quality prevails in everything we do, which has transformed thousands of lives.
We at the PSRI sending our blood donor samples to the Hemogenomics Testing Center, and the idea of choosing the IDNet was because it detects more infection, it is more accurate and more sensitive. We are extremely happy with your services, and there have never been any problem regarding collection and early reporting.
We continually deliver value to our clients beyond typical laboratory and business interactions through our knowledge sharing initiatives. We are associated with more than 70 hospitals and blood banks to prevent transfusion-transmitted infections. So far, we have tested more than 3 million blood samples using the IDNat technology, preventing thousands of infections.
We have a centralized IDNet testing facility which is equipped by state-of-the-art fully automated machines and is handled by highly experienced staff from Hemogenomics. We extend this facility to more than 20 other hospitals who do not have their own centers, but they are keen to get the NAT testing done. The logistics of getting the sample is provided by Hemogenomics, and the results are conveyed to them by electronic media on the same day. We have tested more than 3 lakhs tests so far in this center. From our center itself, we have done more than 66,000 samples, which resulted in getting an additional yield of 45 individuals who could have conveyed disease to at least 130 different people. See, the transmission of disease through blood transfusion not only brings a bad name to the institution, but also has a lot of financial implications.
Our dedicated team of more than 50 qualified experts go above and beyond the call of duty, with some of our labs working 24 hours in case of need, like a dengue epidemic. They have mastered the process of delivering results in quick turnaround time and providing excellent customer support service, making Hemogenomics the most trusted partner in the country.
Our aim is to make India free from all transfusion-transmitted infections. All our efforts are channelized towards making safe blood available to all citizens of this country. I invite you, please join the IDNat community and be part of this revolution to make India a safer place.